So on this video, I will show you how to use CapCut desktop to edit and merge this clip just as it is here. Okay, so let's get started.
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
I've got you. Let's make you. I'm so tired.
Watch out, Snake! Snake!
Watch out! Stay back!
Die!
All right, good morning and welcome back. So today we are going to learn more of the timeline, which is here, this place. Remember, on our first tutorial, I explained to you that here is known as timeline. So we are going to, on this timeline, we are going to learn how to do cutting, how to cut, trim, then add overlay, okay, in a content. So that's what we are going to learn today. First of all, we are starting by bringing in our content. Go to import. So here you can pick the content. Let's just use these ones as an example. Now you click open. Remember how to do this on the first one. So we are going to use these three contents. Now we are going to combine the three of them together. So we are going to overlay one, then while we join, cut and join, and see how it works. So to start with, first we are going to start, maybe we can start with this one here by clicking on the plus sign here. I can see it will come over to your timeline right here. Now you can see the preview of what we just dropped. Let's play it and see.
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Watch out, Snake! Stay back! Die!
So
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
You can see how this content is now, okay? So we are going to merge it together with this other one here. See this one? They look alike.
Thank you. I'm so tired.
The content look alike, but we are going to join the two of them together, okay? That's what we are going to do today. So we can as well, now for you to add the next clip, this is our first clip here, we have added it, and this is our second clip. So to add the second clip, make sure that this player, this is your player. Do you remember I explained what this thing was at the first tutorial that we did? So you must make sure that wherever it is where your next clip will start. This particular player here, this long line, this long white line is called the player, okay? Wherever it is, remember, it's where your content, the next clip will appear. So we want it to be at the end of this first clip. So we are going to bring in the second one. You can click and drag, or you click the plus sign. So I've used the plus sign before. Now I use click and drag, okay? You can see it here. You can see this one. They are the same content but different people on it, okay? So we are going to add this in now. Let it be look as if like these are two different ladies. You can see this lady is different with the person that she came to rescue, and can see this person too is different from the person who came to rescue. Now we are going to merge two of them to look as if that they are in the same forest but in different locations, okay, like in the movie. So what we are going to do here now is we can allow this one to play to this place here. We can allow this one to play to this place when she's asking the guy to come down, okay? Let's say here now, we can decide to split here. You see where I am here? Can see my player is now where I want it to split. So for you to split it, you come over to this place. See what they write? Split. So these tools here now is what we are actually learning today. To split, which is to trim and to cut. Okay? So here we use this first one here that they write split. You click on the split. When you split it, you can see we now have three clips. We now have the first clip, second clip, and third clip. So now that we have our three clips on together, I can now bring in this other clip. This first clip here, I can bring it back to this place now. So as the player is right here, I can just click my plus here now, so that this other clip, you can see now this clip is different from this clip. Can you see that now? So the two are now together. Are you seeing that? So this clip have merged with this one. So let's just see, allow her to rescue this guy to the end. Let's allow her to rescue this guy to the end. So as the guy come down here, we can decide to split it here too. Okay, you can decide to split it here. Now you can decide to bring this one in, or you use this one that we have split initially. Remember this one. Remember, we split this one from here that time, okay? So we can now decide to bring this one here by dragging it to this place. Drag it to here. What I did here, I click and I drag. Now let's see what we have done here. You can see this one was coming. You can see, don't be looking at the preview as I'm dragging this thing here. You can see we have still gotten another one. Now they now saw snake this side. As they saw snake this side, now let's still allow this other one snake to appear. Let's split from here. We'll split from here. Now we'll come over to this place now. Now let's allow these people to their own snake to appear. So I can move this one that I split and move it back. I see what I'm doing. I move it back. Then you can see this. Now let's see what we have. You can see this is the first one. We started with this. We enter with this, which are another people in the same forest. Now these people, now which is the first people, now come to this place and they are seeing and something is about to happen there. Now over this place too, they see these people too, still have their own issue here. Okay, so now we now want these people to finish their own case. You can see, so now the movie can end here. You understand what I said? The movie now can end here. So now this other one, we cannot pull this one out because we already imported it before. You can just select this last one that you don't need again. You can press delete on your keyboard. You can press delete on your keyboard, or you still come to these two bars here. You can see delete. You can see press delete. So either you delete from your keyboard or you come to the toolbar and click delete. Now let's see, play it and see what we have. You can see we now have 18 seconds of this movie. Now let's play.
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
I've got you. Let's make you. I'm so tired.
Watch out, snake! Snake!
Watch out! Take that!
Die!
Wow. So you see what happened here now. We have merged these two clips. This first clip and this other clip. We have merged the two now together. Remember, this one was just 10-11 seconds before. Look at
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
10 seconds.
Okay.
This one is just 8
got
seconds. Now, these two things now have turned them into 18 seconds. Are you saying, do you understand now? You can see that somebody will be asking, how did they do this? Now, you can see the movie. It now look as if that they are in the same location. Are you seeing that? Fighting the same battle. Please let me know if you are confused on this cut in this clipping that we just did now. If you are confused, let me know in the comment section right there in the WhatsApp. Okay, I will be able to explain it more to you. Now let me show you another way of splitting. Another way of splitting. On this place now, we click split here. You can decide to seek at this other splitting. You can decide to delete this item, this clip now from the left, which is this side. If you click on this particular one here, it will delete from this place. Let's see, let's click on it. Now mind you where our player is. You can see the player is right here. So if we click this delete, this particular one, delete left, it will delete and end in this particular place. Let's click so that you understand. Do you see what happened here? Do you see what happened here? Now the beginning of this particular one is no longer there because we have deleted it from left. Now let's assume we want to delete it again from here. After here now, you can see we have other more space here. We'll make sure you highlight. When you highlight, let's look at this particular one, delete right. So delete right will as well delete from anything that is from your right to where your player is standing. So we click delete right. You can see that. So this deleting has as well worked without you coming to click and start dragging, start dragging and make mistake of where you don't want. Okay, so that's the essence of this, using this delete left and delete right. So let's add caption to right over here. Now let's add a little fancy on our content. So let's add caption over here. Now I'll click on caption, come to these two bars here. I click on caption. Now I can see the caption here is English. You can leave it in English. So here you click, if there is any, I know there is no current one, you can click here to generate. Click generate. So when you click generate, just like the one in the smartphone, it's the same process. So when you click generate, we allow it to generate to the end. All right, so our captions is ready. Let's look at it. You can see it is ready. So now over here, now you can decide to edit this caption now. So now to edit the template here, since you already generated it for us, you click on the template, or you can highlight all of them so that everything will take effect at once by clicking and drag. You see what I did? Click and drag. It has highlighted all the captions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of them are now highlighted. So you can now come over to this right side. You come to this right side. You can see now the system. You can decide to change the font by clicking on the font name there. Can see you can just leave it there, or you can choose this one here to just add a little style. When you click, we allow it to load. It has loaded. Now the next thing here, let's go over to the size. You can decide to increase the size. I see that you can increase the size. You can make it bold or underline. You can decide to change the color. If you don't like this white, you can decide to change the color of the caption to any other color of your choice. Are you seeing that? But for me, I think I prefer white based on this background here. So you can decide as well to change, add more things. Just play around with the environment. You will see what you would like. So here you can decide to choose a template. But if choosing the template will make you to start paying for it, you can leave it. Or you can just use this. Okay, let's use this free one. Remember, the template you can use that is free, the ones that did not have this diamond sign. Anyone with that diamond sign is used for free. Okay, so let's say we click on this one. We want it to appear this way now. You click, you allow it to load. Now you can see it has applied. So let's play it and see. Let's play our content and see from beginning. Let's play.
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
I've got you. Let's make you. I'm so tired.
Watch out, snake! Snake!
Watch out! Take that!
Die!
Wow. So I believe you are getting something from this tutorial today. So this is it for cutting, trimming, and joining clips together. This is exactly what they do. Even all these movies that you see, this is exactly what they do to get the clips that you watch and that is entertaining for you. Okay, so this is it for today. I will drop more for you. So when you are done, don't forget to export by hitting on this export here. You can see it. I hit on the export and they are telling me that I'm using pro version. They say you're using pro version. What are the pro version? They say auto caption, one use for 1 month. I'm even a subscriber, but not a pro. I'm using a standard caption, not a standard version of CapCut. So they are telling me that I'm using a pro version. Just try for free. Okay, since we have a free use for 1 month, so we use it for try for free. So don't forget to give your video a title. Okay, let's say this is my title, then I hit export. So you take a look at what we just did now.
Hang on, I'm pulling you down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
I've got you. Let's make you. I'm so tired.
Watch out, snake! Snake!
Watch out! Take that!
Die!